In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can cancel order on Vinted. We'll walk through placing an order so you see where everything lives, and then I'll show you exactly how to cancel it from your account. I'll also share a few tips so you know what to expect with timing and refunds. Start by heading to vinted.com in your browser. On the homepage, use the search bar to look for the item you want. You can refine results with filters like size, brand, color, and price to narrow things down. Take a moment to browse thoughtfully, checking photos, reading the description carefully, and noting the condition and any seller notes can save you from needing a cancellation later. When you find something that fits, click into the listing to open the full product page. Review the details, shipping options, and the seller's ratings. If everything looks right, proceed by selecting Buy Now. This takes you to checkout. Enter your delivery address and any necessary details. Make sure everything is accurate and complete. Double check the street name, postcode, and any apartment or unit information. If there are delivery method options, choose the one that works best for you and confirm that the estimated delivery time frame meets your needs. Next, select your payment method. Vinted processes payments securely, and you'll typically see the item price plus any shipping costs and a buyer protection fee. Before you continue, review the order summary so there are no surprises. If the totals and address are correct, click Pay to place the order. After payment, you'll see a confirmation screen and your order will appear in your account with a status like awaiting shipment. Now, if you decide you want to cancel, here's how to do it quickly. Go to the top right of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose My Orders. You'll see your recent purchases listed there. Select the item you want to cancel to open the order details. Look for the option to cancel the order and click it. You may be asked to confirm or provide a brief reason. Once confirmed, the order is canceled on the spot if it's still awaiting shipment. Refunds are processed back to your original payment method. The timing can vary slightly depending on your bank or provider. A quick tip: the cancel button may not be available if the seller has already shipped the item. In that case, the order is in progress and cancellation isn't possible from this screen. That's it. Search, buy, and if needed, cancel directly from My Orders. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Vinted with confidence.